Miami superbob, and all took down as well. Funhouse is just over there as well. Drop zone's not even away yet, still there. Wow. Yeah, that's that health and safety setup that's standing, see that? No chains or anything, see that? That's quite scary. I like the artwork on that one, do you? And it's quite nice, the artwork. And the lights and all that. It's quite cool. Quite cool. You notice the cars kind of look similar to that. It's on the parachute. So they do look similar. But all that's a different style. But they do look similar, so they do, compared to the parachutes. You notice that? They're very similar. Carriage. Well, I wonder if it was the same manufacturer that done it. There's a bottle of bucky on there. It's a bit dangerous, eh? That looks quite tough to do. That looks very tough, that is. Stuck right in, I think. Oof. I need to undo it, aye. Is that what I... Yeah. There, that's it, aye. Looks like quite a hard job, that, eh? It's weird with the artwork, what absolutely, it looks bizarre. Yeah. But it still looks nice though, but it just looks unusual. See the wee M&Ms? Wee M&Ms are quite funny, they're my favourite, and it's on that.
Yeah.
It'd be quite cool to see all that getting tipped down, so it would. Like that'll take a while though for that one.
Yeah.
Because it's that big of a ride. Right, yeah. And that's the engine of it, sort of. I think.
What, that noise?
Aye. Still, and it looks so weird without the tent cover at the back of it and the wee tunnel bits in the middle. Because there's only two in the middle, you noticed that?
Behind that light? Yeah.
Aye, it looks quite unusual.
So all the railings go behind that?
I've noticed that, aye, it's unusual. So it is.
Yeah, they all get stored on that, then that'll fold up more lightly.
Aye, and it probably just folds up all in one. But I think you would need to, I think they probably want to take all the cars off at first though. And I don't know. A lot of cars on that, you noticed that?
Yeah.
How many cars would you say there is out of that? I don't know.
About 20 cars.
20?
Yeah.
So that shows you they make £4 a time. Depends on how many people was in it, but it takes 3 at a time in a car.
Oh yeah.
So it's £4 a time. That's a lot, eh?
Yeah.
So if it's a full ride, they make a fortune. So
Yeah.
that looks weird like that, so it is. It's funny how it's called Miami, I think that's a funny wee name for a superbob, so it is.
Yeah.
Doesn't make sense. There's a balloon ride folded up. Quite cool. There's that parachute spinning around here. It looks weird when it's spinning around with nothing on it, so this looks unusual. I like the pay box of that. The totem pay box thing.
Yeah.
It's a very small booth. You notice that very small pay box booth?
Yeah, it's very small.
Just gonna do tilt that forward. I didn't have damage it. No? Oh, there's all the bolts from it.
Yeah.
All the bolts, all the lights are off. The drops on this, yeah, all the lights are off it.
That'll be ready to drive.
I'll be ready to take that away, so they will.
Yeah.
I wonder what the next ground they'll hit. They'll probably hit a next ground next, so they will.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if they're going to take the cars off now, I think they are. So they? Then,
Not sure.
that's the bit I want to see, the cars getting too tough.
Hey! Third one is Molly! Molly, man.
Must be very hard to try and pull it up and down so much, the lines. Especially all in one day as well, it must be harder because it means they have to build it just for one day, then they have to pull it down all in the one day.
Yeah.
But at least they made their money though. James, aye. Train going by. Quite cool to see the drop zone driving away sort of.
Well,